Debnath Art Hub. Hello little friends, today we are drawing and painting a sheep. So let's start to draw. At first we are drawing the sheep bonnet. Yes, like that. Step by step follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. Drawing is so easy. You just need to do practice and practice. Then you are also able to draw. Yes, like that. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly. Otherwise, your drawing will be wrong. Yes, guys, follow how I am drawing. If you follow these steps, then you are also able to draw. We are almost finished. Now we are using the dark black marker for border the drawing. Yes, like that. Look at how gorgeous this sheep is. Yes, we are almost done. Now let's learn the color's name. Yellow color, red color, orange color, cyan color, sky blue color, gray color. At first we are using the yellow color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.